Yo, what's going on, guys? NAQ coaching here today, and I got the Jeep out right now, and I'm about to install a cold air intake on the Jeep. So I'll go ahead and pop this hood open for you guys, and one hood latch off like that, the other hood latch off like that. I'm gonna come up under here like this. Hey guys, there we got the 3.6 valve variable timing engine, and we got this air intake right here. I'm going to be replacing this with an aftermarket cold air intake, guys, so stay tuned.
Later that night.
So I had to actually come outside because look, it's dark night out here in Texas, so I'm going to do the cold air intake kit that we got right here. That's the filter, this is the hose, and then this is I guess the shield. So we're going to try to put this together. So first you're going to take this Jeep cover off. Alright, next you're going to want to take, this comes from the engine coolant. You're going to want to pop these out. So 1, 2, tuck it behind there. Next, you're going to unscrew this screw from the intake manifold, or the throttle body. There you go, look at that. Alright, so there's a sensor right under here. Sensor right here. You want to take that off. Just like that. Pop off these two little clips right here. Take this hose off. If I can get it. There you go, just bend it back here. Just like that. Alright, so now it's about ready to pull it out. So just grab it about right here. And boom, out you go. Out you go. I'll toss you right there. Just that old intake. Cold air box. New cold air intake. And you want to always make sure that this mass airflow sensor, that you put it back in here. Or else check engine light will come on. So we're going to put it in here. Just like that. And then we're going to get ready to install the new cold air intake. Air flow sensor right there. Here's the connection for it right down here. So you literally just snap it into place. So we're going to go ahead and mount the shield right here and see how long that takes. Alright, so this is the heat shield right here. So right like this, I believe. This piece off right here, and you'll need a 5/8 millimeter. And I'll show you why here in a second. Next, grab your heat shield, pop it in like this, move this out of the way. Uh-oh. So it's gonna sit like this at an angle. And I'm waiting for it to focus. There you go. So it's gonna sit at an angle like that. And then right here is where we're gonna put that screw back in. So screw this back in. Last but not least, we're gonna screw this other thing in. This is just gonna make sure that the heat shield doesn't move. This part right here, and pull it off just like that, so it's split in half just like that. So this part is gonna go in here, and then this will go on top of the engine bay. Alright, so you're gonna feed this through here, just like that. Let me show you guys how it looks from an overhead view. So it's just gonna be nested in that right there. pipe in there. Give it a good little squeeze. Alright, so step 2, you've got to squeeze the pipe into there. Next step, you're going to put this hose over your throttle body. Alright, next tighten the clamps. So with the clamps, you want to tighten them as tight as possible so no air can leak out. Make sure you tighten them both. Alright, next make sure you connect this air hose right back on the intake. Just like that, slide it on. And just kind of push it away, just so you know it's not, too close to the alternator. Alright, and last step, you're going to make sure you're tightening the bracket that actually goes on the filter. Just tighten that right there until it pops. Alright, now you want to secure everything. Make sure everything's good and tight. Make sure that hose is on. Mass airflow sensor is connected right there at the bottom. Right here. And guys, look at that beautiful cold air intake on this 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Alright, don't forget to put your engine bay cover back on. Alright, we got the cover back on, so here is how it looks with the cover, just like that.